Well, guys, this is South Cherry Street. This is the street that I live, my building. Uh, Pretty much is black, you know, a lot of snow. Look at that. That's Grand Street. I don't know if you can see that. The sun is kind of very strong. People are trying to remove their snow out of their driveway, but the state is really on stay still. Don't know what we're gonna do. I don't think I'll be able to go to work on Monday. This is our lot. I already did myself out. It's really bad in here. I don't know how we're gonna be able to get rid of all this snow. This is terrible. There's a car over there. I think that people got stuck in there. See, I'm going up. I'm cold.